Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about report design. In last video we already discussed how to find the big sales in the KPI visual card visual, but in this video we are using the Guage. So we'll try to see that is also. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding Power BI and DAX as well as SQL development, performance tuning and SSIS. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report and all. Go to the fields. Now you can see that dim customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Go to the model, collapse, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that. So for example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on these two columns, so date and order date key, I have enabled the relationship between the dim date and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation of flowing from the dim date to internet sales. Like that I have enabled the relationship for the other table also. We'll try to speak on more on upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. So already I have explained in last video also how to find the big sales within the month and year selection and comparing. So how to find the percentage, whether it is more or less. Same thing I have done. Instead of KPI visual card, I have used the Gauss report only. Okay, so here also same thing as I explained last video. So based on these two selection, year and a month, so I'm just taking the, so what is within the June, what is the max week? 27 and 26, 25, 24, 23. Okay, for example, if I select September, so 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. So even titles also, so it's getting changed based on the month selection and the year selection also. And also here, if you notice here, so I'm taking the target, I mean a max value. So max value I'm taking within this enter all the weeks in a specific month selection. I am taking the max value. Okay, so max value, and I'm just comparing each week with respect to the previous week and displaying a message. So whether it is more than previous week or less than previous week. So if it is more than previous week, some kind of text color. So if it is less than means red color. Even it's getting changed also. This color also will get changed. See here, if you notice here, when it is comparing with the previous week, it's more. So that is the reason 5% more than the previous week. We know that what is the previous week? Week 12. So in this week 23, but the previous week 21. So it means that when you're comparing, this week is more than the previous week, and we are comparing this one 5% more than the previous week. Yes, correct, because this week 21.97, the previous week 21.42. So when it is comparing previous week, this week is more. That is the reason we are getting the message. But here it's less. When you compare to the previous week, it's getting in the less. So that is the reason we are displaying the red text, and this is also color changed. Okay, so whenever I select a different month, so within this month, so I'm taking the in the all the weeks, so I'm taking the max week sales, max, whatever the max week sales, I'm just taking as a max value. Okay, so here what is the max week? 19.3. I'm taking this one as a 19.3. Sorry 28. Okay, 28 I'm taking as a max value. So it works dynamically. Even if I select anything, so automatically it works based, it's comparing the previous week, whether it is more or less. Based on that, it is displaying the text message, like even different color also. For example, if you notice here in these two selection, in 2000 to October month, this is the last week only, there is no previous week. In that case, I'm displaying a text message that no previous week with white color. So you can differentiating that, so it means that there are no more weeks in the month selection. So like that, I'm displaying that. So September, October, you can select anything. Even I am selecting 2003, you can select, everything works. See. Whenever I'm just changing the month, so automatically it's getting reflected all the areas. September also. So I'll try to show, so same measures only, but only one difference is I'm just taking the max week number, max week sales. So final value, so try to zoom it. So here I'm just taking the, so within this declared one variable, here I'm taking the max week within the week sales. Okay, and also I'm just using the different colors for each based on the measures and all. Here if you go to the max week, again we are displaying, so I'm just calculating the percentage and all. And also in this section I'm calculating the max week, previous week, something like that. Okay, so here I'm just adding that whether it is more than the previous week or less than the previous week. Yeah, see, this message is a hard-coded message only, but this one is like percentages, dynamically it will change, but this text is a hard-coded one. Okay, only the percentage getting changed here, and also color also based on this percentage it's getting changed. So based on this percentage it's getting changed, whether it is greater than means this color, less than means this color. So like that I have designed the report. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel, stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.